Good morning. I'm Sanjay Indani.
I'm giving you a power talk on pest control methodology. When we talk about Codex General Principles of Food Hygiene, the pest control is one of the important requirement. The similar requirement is also being illustrated in food safety regulation in Schedule 4 Part 2 requirement. There are various types of pests, and across the food chain many industries are suffering because of that. You have rats, you have lizards, you have cockroaches, you have ants, and so on. So there are 4 key elements of pest control activity. The first one is preventing access. So access prevention is very important aspect in the pest control methodology. In the industry, what we do? We try to close all the holes, burrows, gaps from inside and outside, just to prevent the pest control, just to prevent the pest entry. You have various doors and you put a strip curtain, put an air curtain to prevent the pest. For ventilation where the windows are being used, the requirements stipulate that you should have screens, you should have mesh on that. A classic example, you have drains, and in the drains you should have a mesh or a strain to prevent the access of pest. The second aspect, the second important key element is harborage and infestation. The harborage is wherever there is an area where the pest can hide. So what is required? That you inspect the areas where there is a possibility of harborage, inside and outside of the factory. The waste management is important aspect in the harborage. So keep the area clean and hygienic and neat, which will take care of harborage and infestation. Monitoring and detection is the third element under the pest control. So you have various raw materials and packing materials coming in which may contain some infestation. So you need to do the inspection of that. Keep the stacks away from the wall and off the floor so that the pest can be monitored. Regular examination of the areas is key important aspect. And the last element is eradication. The eradication is removal, killing of the pest. It can be done by physical methodology or by using some chemical methodology or biological methodology. Various chemicals are used in pest control methodology. When you use the chemicals, you have insecticides, you have pesticides. We have to be careful while usage of that, and we should see that they are approved to be used in the food industry. So thank you very much.